Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change status bar on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on notifications. Then locate and click on status bar. Here, you can change the status bar to dot, icons, and none. Once you change the notification style under status bar, then you should see the status bar changed at the top left here. So all notifications are going to be changed to dot. If you want to use icons, then you should see all the icons at the top left. If you want to hide notification status, choose none, and all notification status bar will be hidden. If you select dot, then you want to show battery percentage. Icons, you want to show battery percentage. None, you can also hide or enable battery percentage. So that's exactly how to change status bar style on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.